about the class yesterday, I have this thought about wine. If it covers everything the same as bread does.
Oh, no. So. Okay, thank you very much. So, wine covers only the beverages, same as the bread does all other foods. But bread does not cover the wine. So, for example, yesterday we have the meal, Purim meal. So we went to wash our hands, ate bread, and during the meal we had a little wine, right? So we had to say that the separate blessing on wine, because wine is very important product, and bread does not cover. But all other beverages, whatever person is going to drink during the meal, are covered by bread for sure. And wine covers only all other beverages, not the solid foods.
So it cannot be used in the same way as bread. The last time I say something about that to avoid, to prevent doing many blessings, just eat took a side of bread and cover everything. Wine, that's not the same.
No. Only bread covers all of the food. Wine covers only beverages. That's the difference. Yeah.